welcome back to Lake Math. We're going to do things a little differently right now. Normally I have a classroom full of students that actually help me do all the audio, video, and editing and all that. And they're at home. So the rest of us are too. So what I'm planning on doing, my video quality isn't going to be as awesome because my editing team and audio team and video team are all somewhere else. So I'm going to try to do a bunch of rough edit video myself, and my goal, I'm going to try to cover every lesson that I cover as a high school math teacher. So I'm going to go through all of my Algebra 1 lessons, all of my geometry lessons, all of my Algebra 2 lessons. Video quality won't be as awesome. I'm not going to do as much editing. My mic is just the camera mic instead of having the other fancier version. But hopefully it'll be useful for you guys who are stuck at home and don't have a math teacher at home. So anyway, that's it.